If Coinbase files for bankruptcy tomorrow, you could lose all of your crypto on their platform. And this is a huge problem across the entire crypto industry, not only with Coinbase, but with many other platforms. And so for that reason, many people say that you should take your money and put it into cold storage or onto a hardware wallet. Take it off of exchanges. But the problem with this is that you're no longer going to be able to earn passive income. You're no longer going to be able to stake your crypto, and you're losing out significantly by taking your crypto off of exchanges in terms of passive income rewards. So I've been doing a bit of digging and trying to find if there are any platforms out there where your crypto wouldn't be subject to any issues if the company behind it is filing for bankruptcy. And I came across one which I've been starting to use a lot more as of recently. They have pretty good staking, pretty good aspects in terms of rewards, and I want to share it with you. So the company is called Cake DeFi, and they have 4 or 5 main ways to earn passive income, but that is not the most important thing about this platform. The most important thing about this platform, in my opinion, is with regards to the security of your funds. So like I said earlier, is many cryptocurrency exchanges and many platforms, when you have your crypto on them, they are actually not owned specifically by you. The company has them in custody for you. And if the company goes bankrupt, well, your funds could be subject to the bankruptcy and could be used to pay off any of the debts. But with Cake DeFi, it doesn't work that way. With Cake DeFi, they segregate their assets, their operating assets and income from your own crypto assets. And according to a recent post, you can see at Cake DeFi, all 100% of user funds are accounted for. We do not operate fractionally, nor do we mingle user funds with operation funds. All funds are fully segregated. All crypto platforms must run this way. There's no other way. And basically what they're saying is that many platforms right now we've seen have issues. When they get in trouble, they start freezing and locking all the users' funds. If a company goes bankrupt, well then so do all of the funds in that you might have deposited. Those are at risk, and this is a huge problem. But with Cake DeFi, this doesn't happen. You can read all of the documents, all of the filings on their website. So make sure to check that out. I'll link it down below. But that is the number one reason why I like this platform. In addition to this, Cake DeFi has made some pretty big moves as of recently. They currently have close to 1 million users across the world. They have paid out over $317 million in rewards just through Q1 of 2022, and they have over $1 billion in customer assets. So by no means are they a small company. They've been continuing to grow very quickly. And the one thing I really like about them, in addition to all of their rewards and staking and everything they offer, is really that security of your funds, that if something ever were to happen to Cake DeFi, nothing would happen to your funds. They're still 100% yours. Before we get into the actual 4 or 5 products on the platform, I want to quickly touch on one other aspect of Cake DeFi. So Cake DeFi recently launched a $100 million venture capital arm. This venture capital arm is going to invest in Web3, gaming, fintech, metaverse, NFT projects over the coming 2 years. This is a very big deal because this shows you not only do they have close to 1 million users, paid out $300 million in rewards, but they're really devoted and dedicated to building up the crypto and blockchain space. So that is pretty exciting. But now let's get into the four or five main products on Cake DeFi. So like I said, the number one most important thing for me is security of my funds if something were to ever happen to the company, which has been a concern of mine as of recently, especially with what has happened with Coinbase and many platforms as of recently. But with Cake DeFi, that is like the base thing. That is the most important, the base thing for me. The 4 or 5 main ways to actually earn passive income on this platform are similar to other platforms out there, but they have some key differences. So the first is that they offer lending, staking, liquidity mining, and borrowing. And I want to go over some specific details of all of these. You can see they show the app on iOS and Android, but we're going to stick to just showing the main details of these 4 different ways to earn passive income. The first is going to be with lending. Lending, very simple. You can lend Bitcoin, Ethereum, USDC, or USDT, and in return for this, you can generate interest by lending out your crypto. They have some pretty attractive interest rates, which you could check all online, some of the highest in the industry, and that is very, very important. So you're able to earn passive income on your crypto, simply lending it out, and you can be sure that if anything were to happen to the company, your funds would still be safe, secure, nothing would happen there. Second aspect is going to be with staking. With staking, much like how staking works on other platforms, staking on Cake DeFi is a way to earn passive income on your crypto. You could stake it for certain periods of time, just like with other platforms, and you're able to generate passive income. Third is liquidity mining. Liquidity mining allows crypto investors, right here it says, to receive liquidity mining rewards by providing liquidity in a decentralized exchange by means of allocating crypto trading pairs into liquidity mining pool. That's just how liquidity mining works on any platform. And the last one is borrow. Borrow is pretty cool because with cryptocurrency, you could actually, if you don't want to sell your crypto, let's say you want to keep it because you want to hold it long term, but you need funds to pay for your day-to-day life, maybe to pay some bills. What you can do with borrow is that you can actually use the borrow service to receive cash flow, receive cash, and in exchange, they will be holding your crypto before you pay it back. So those are the four main aspects, four main ways you could actually earn passive income on the platform. But like I said, and like I'm going to continue to say, everyone always talks about taking your money off of exchanges, put it into cold storage or put it into hardware wallets. But the problem with that is you're missing out on some rewards. And with Cake DeFi, they segregate their operational funds from user funds, so you don't have to worry about anything happening to your funds in the rare event that Cake DeFi were to go bankrupt or something would happen. So I would say definitely check this platform out. I've been starting to use it a lot more as of recently for that one main reason, security of my funds. And if you want, make sure to use my link in the description. You can get like $30 when signing up. So just make sure to sign up. Check out my link in the description. But I really think you should check out this platform because I've been concerned with security with everything that has happened recently between UST, everything with Luna, all these issues with freezing and withdrawals across so many crypto platforms. I've been a bit concerned. So just check this out. It's worth your time. But hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next episode. See ya.